Kae chenro mar yimore odhi kaunti ma Homa Bay kama gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga otieko chenro mar yiero apisas madongo mag migepe kendo ochiwo siem ne mibadhi ok biye e telo margi.
Wanga ne otelo ne nyasi mar sidho apisas 15 madongo e migepe bang' kanyocha ne od bura mar kaunti ma Homa Bay opodho gwelo margi.
Apisas goriwo Elias Rondo mar migawo mar keto mwandu, Isaac Ongiri madhirango weche mag dongruok mar loch gwenge, Judith Ombok, Dana Ongere e kind mamoko.
Governor, I will not directly or indirectly
any business proceedings or documents.
This job is not so much for the position. It is more for the service to the people. So that's our mantra. We are people-centered. We don't sit in our cars and pull up windows and pass and throw dust. We are more on foot than in the vehicles. So please, let us focus on service delivery.
There was a call for application. You applied for the positions. You are interviewed, vetted. You are being appointed as you ably confirmed that you are called to serve. Now you have been given the jobs. Our people require the services.